Hello students, welcome to Techno Science Club. Welcome to Science Quiz number 3, Science Bits for all competitive examinations. ఈ వీడియోను పూర్తిగా చూడండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. లెట్స్ గో ఇంటు ద టాపిక్. Welcome back friends, welcome back to Techno Science Club, welcome back to Science Quiz number 3, Science Bits are for all competitive examinations. Let's start the quiz. Before the starting quiz, please like చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. Let's start the quiz. Bit number 26 on your screen. What is the force that pulls object towards the center of the earth? భూమి యొక్క మధ్యకు ఆకర్షింపబడేటటువంటి ఏ వస్తువునైనా సరే భూమి తన వైపుకు ఆకర్షించేటటువంటి ఆ ఫోర్స్ని, ఆ బలాన్ని ఏమంటారు? ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఫ్రిక్షన్, ఆప్షన్ బి గ్రావిటీ, ఆప్షన్ సి ఇనర్షియా, ఆప్షన్ బి వెలాసిటీ. Guess your answers right on the comment box. For every bit you have 10 seconds time to guess the correct answer. Your time starts now. Very good. The answer for the question, option B gravity. The force applied by the earth towards the center on an object, that is called gravity. Bit number 27. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Very good. The largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. 28. What is the chemical symbol of nitrogen? What is the chemical symbol of nitrogen? Very good. The chemical symbol of nitrogen is N. What is the process of a solid changes directly into the gas is called? The process that the solid directly changes into the gas. Solid directly changes into the gas, like camphor. That process is called, very good, that process is called sublimation. Option D is the correct answer, sublimation. Changing solid directly to gas without changing into the liquid state. మధ్యలో ఉన్నటువంటి లిక్విడ్ స్టేట్లో కాకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా గ్యాస్ స్టేట్లోకి చేంజ్ అయ్యే ప్రాసెస్నే సబ్లిమేషన్ అంటాం. బిట్ నెంబర్ 30. వాట్ ఈస్ ద SI యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ? What is the SI system unit of energy? Option A watt, option B Pascal, option C joule, option D Newton. Very good. The SI units of energy is joule. 31. What is the chemical formula of hydrochloric acid? What is the chemical formula of hydrochloric acid? Very good. What is the chemical formula of hydrochloric acid? The chemical formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. Very good. Keep it up. Congratulations to all correct answers. Easy or not bit say. 32. Bit number 32. What is the process that Earth's surface wrapping away by the action of water and wind? By the action of water and wind, the earth surface will be wearing away. This process is called. Guess your answers right on the comment box. Very good. Answer for the question is Due to the water and wind, Earth surface wears. This process is called eruption. Erosion. 33. What is the chemical symbol of carbon? Very good. The chemical symbol of carbon is C. Option C, correct answer. 34. What is the term for the process of gas turning into the liquid? Gas turning into the liquid, what is the process? Gas turning into the liquid. Very good. Condensation, evaporation, vaporization, sublimation. What is the process that turns gas into the liquid? Very good. That process is called, very good. Answer for the question, condensation. Cool drinks పైన వాటర్ డ్రాప్లెట్స్ ఏర్పడడానికి కూడా ఈ కండెన్సేషన్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్. 35. What is the fundamental building blocks of all matter? Option A, molecule. Option B, cell. Option C, atom. Option D, proton. What is the fundamental building block of matter? Fundamental building block of matter. Very good. The fundamental building block of matter is atom. What is the chemical formula of ammonia? The chemical formula of ammonia is NH3. What is the process changing liquid into the solid? What is the process changing liquid into the solid? Melting, evaporation, freezing, sublimation. What is the process changing liquid into the solid? Very good. The process liquid into the solid is called freezing. What is the chemical formula of mercury? What is the chemical formula of mercury? Very good. Keep write in the comment box your answers. What is the chemical formula of mercury? The chemical formula of mercury is, the chemical formula of mercury is Hg. Option D is the correct answer. Option D, Hg. 39. What is the SI unit of temperature? Very good. What is the SI unit of temperature? Unit of temperature in SI system. Very good. The unit of temperature in SI system is kelvins. Answer is kelvins. Option A. 40. What is the chemical formula of sodium? What is the chemical formula of sodium? Very good. The chemical formula of sodium is Na, because the sodium is called as a natrium in Latin. Latin lo natrium ani pilustaru kabatti the formula is Na. 41. What is the study of Earth's atmosphere and the weather? The study of Earth's atmosphere and weather is called. The study of Earth's atmosphere and the weather is called biology, geology, meteorology, ecology. Very good. The study of Earth's atmosphere and the weather is called meteorology. What is the chemical formula of nitric acid? The chemical formula of nitric acid. Very good. The chemical formula of nitric acid is HNO3. What is the process of gas changing directly into the solid? What is the process? A gas changing directly into the solid. Melting, evaporation, condensation, sublimation. What is the process of gas directly changing into the solid? Very good. That process is called sublimation. What is the chemical symbol of lead? Tagaram. What is the chemical symbol of lead? Very good. The chemical symbol of lead is Pb because the lead is called plumbum in the Latin. Plumbum. So the symbol is Pb. Lead is called plumbum. 45. What is the chemical formula of hydrofluoric acid? What is the chemical formula of hydrofluoric acid? Very good. Hydrofluoric acid. The chemical formula of hydrofluoric acid is HF. Option C is the correct answer. 46. Which acid is called flush-eating acid? Option A, H2SO4. Option B, HCl. Option C, HF. Option D, HNO3. Which is called flush-eating acid? Which acid is called flush-eating acid? Very good. Yes. HF. ఇందాక మనం చూసినటువంటి హైడ్రోఫ్లోరిక్ యాసిడ్ is called flush eating acid. 47. What is the SI unit of pressure? What is the SI unit of pressure? Very good. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. What is the process of solid changing directly into the gas? What is the process? Solid changing into the gas. Melting, evaporation, condensation, sublimation. Solid changing into directly as gas. This process is called sublimation. What is the chemical formula of sulfur dioxide? What is the chemical formula of sulfur dioxide? Very good. The chemical formula of sulfur dioxide is SO2. Option B is the correct answer. Last bit for the quiz. What is the chemical symbol of potassium? What is the chemical symbol of potassium? Very good. The chemical symbol of potassium is K because the potassium in Latin is called kalium. So these are the 25 science bits which is useful for all competitive examinations. This is the science quiz number 3. Science bits for all కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్. ఈ వీడియోను పూర్తిగా చూసినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో కలుసుకుందాం, నెక్స్ట్ క్విజ్లో కలుసుకుందాం. అప్పటివరకు ధన్యవాదాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ కామెంట్. జై హింద్, వందే మాతరం.